Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about abdominoplasty. Do you suffer from loose skin and excessive fat in the abdomen? Have you ever heard of tummy tuck after childbirth or significant weight loss? Well, we will explain everything. Abdominoplasty or tummy tuck is a treatment that flattens your abdomen by removing excess fat and skin and straightening abdomen wall muscles. After watching this video, you will be able to understand everything related to tummy tuck procedure. The best candidate for this procedure, how it performs, as well as possible complication of this procedure. Our road to the exam answer most of our questions regarding abdominoplasty. Today we have Dr. who is a leading doctor at Ruby Plastic Surgery. He is going to discuss with us everything about abdominoplasty from an experienced medical point of view. Hi, I'm Queenie, and before we start, please subscribe to our channel so the next time you'll be updated with our new releases. Hello, Dr. Ho, how are you?
Hello,
안녕하세요.
this is Dr. Hugh Jung-Hoo, the representative doctor of Ruby Plastic Surgery in Seoul, Korea.
So today we are going to talk about abdominoplasty and lower eyelid blepharoplasty. We'll start with abdominoplasty. So can you tell us more about what is abdominoplasty?
Abdominal gastrectomy is a surgery that improves sagging after childbirth or after a rapid diet when the abdomen is fleshy.
Since everyone has different level of sagginess and volume on their belly area, so would the surgical method be the same or any changes between that?
The surgical method varies depending on the level of sagging. If only the lower part of the navel is saggy, only the lower part of the navel, called the artificial abdominal gastrectomy, is performed. Overall, if the abdominal fleshy is wide, surgery is performed up to the upper and lower abdomen.
So are there any ways to minimize the scar after surgery?
The scar is supposed to be as long as 20 to 30 centimeters long. The scar position is below the underwear line, and the scar is covered when wearing a swimsuit. And over time, scars naturally blur, so later on, scars can't be seen as well after a long time.
So how long does the pain last after surgery?
It is uncomfortable for 1 to 2 days after surgery, and you can feel stiffness in your abdomen for about 2 weeks. After that, there's no problem with daily life.
So is there any precaution after the surgery?
The precaution after surgery is scar care. Waist stretching can widen the area as the scar is pulled. Therefore, it is recommended to refrain from stretching a lot for a few days after surgery.
So do people get abdominoplasty once again when they have already given birth after the previous abdominoplasty?
What doctors must check before surgery is whether there is a birth plan in the future for patients. In this case, it is recommended to perform surgery after childbirth. If the abdomen is stretched a lot, surgery is performed to sedate the muscles with the flesh. So if you get pregnant, this surgery will be useless. So you may need a reoperation afterwards. Therefore, be sure to check your pregnancy plan before surgery.
So how long is the recovery period for this surgery?
After surgery, the schedule for removing the silt is 10 to 14 days later. Therefore, it is recommended to extend your stay in Korea for 2 to 3 weeks.
So lastly, do you have any comments for our subscribers who is interested in this procedure?
People often think about abdominoplastic surgery as a major surgery and that the scar will be serious. In fact, this surgery is not that dangerous. Many people fall into depression after seeing increased belly fat after childbirth, which restores their confidence and brightens their personality. I hope you don't think that this surgery is only scary and burdensome. but think positively.
부담스럽게만 생각하지 않고 좀 긍정적으로도 생각해봤으면 좋겠습니다.
So today we learned many things about abdominoplasty, and the doctor explained in details everything related to this cosmetic procedure, such as how can be done and best candidate for it. Thank you for joining us once again today at CloudHospital TV. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we will respond to you as soon as possible.